desisyon na kailangan gawin. In the meantime, si Nana may 103,400, Jane with 139,500, si EJ naman 146,000, he's in the lead, 2 spins pa. EJ, bro, simple lang yan, ha? Kapag nag-play ka, nawami, 0. Kapag pinasa mo, lipat kay Jane, and the total 3 na kailangan niyang gamitin na spin. Hope ka mawami siya, so you go home with 146,000 pesos.
Ano na pag-isinan mo?
Para sa lola. So, Papa. I'm gonna pass. EJ, let's take your 2 spins, transfer to Jane. Jane, you now have a total of 3 spins na kailangan mo gamitin at any point in time. Kapag nawami ka, 0 ang pera, pero aakyat ang mga spins. So let's see how far you can go with 3 spins that you have to use. Jane, good luck. Big board, here's your first one.
Go, Wami! Pag nanalo ako, ikaw yung kanang durian kahit pati balat, kainin mo pa. Stop!
Hello.
150,000! Oh!
Okay, 2 spins. Paangatin mo yan, and you go home with whatever amount you have. Alright? Iwas wami lang. Here you go, your next spin.
Wami, I love you so much! 50,000! Pera pa rin! Pera pa rin! 105,500 po! Nalagpasan niya yung dalawang spin sa critical.
At this point, si Jane ang may pinakamalaking halaga sa inyong lahat. Malinaw. One more spin. Kapag nawami siya, EJ, you win 146,000. Anything but a wami lumabas dyan, you win over 305,500 for sure. Okay? And so far, in the history of wami, that is the biggest amount na meron tayo.
Ay, maganda yung taon natin, ha?
So let's see, Jane. Are you ready? Isang malakas. You're going to.
I'm gonna put my life!
Let's go, big boy! Saan siya pumunta?
EJ, you won!
EJ, 146,000! Congratulations! Oh, grabe naman! Grabe, kinuha mo ka! Kinuha pa ni Wami! Congratulations, EJ! Nanaw, thank you! Jane, okay lang yan, ganun talaga!
Esperanza po!
Thank you! Maraming salamat sa inyo!